Hello everyone, welcome back to Dino Kids. I hope you all are doing great. Every time I try to bring something creative and easy DIY worksheet and activities to make learning fun and enjoyable work for our little champs. In case if you want to try our other DIY activities, then please find the link in the description below of all those activities. So before starting today's video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the update on our upcoming videos. So for this activity, I have drawn some basic shapes here and I have also made same shapes with the help of a cardboard or a thick sheet. Now me and Amish will let you know how to perform this shapes activity. Amish, where is star shape? Yes, put it on the proper place. Very good. Now where is oval shape? Put it on the proper place. Yes. Where is crescent shape? Okay. Where is diamond shape? Very good. That's okay. Do you need my help in this to do like this? Yeah. So where is rectangle shape now? Very nice. And where is arrow shape? Where is triangle shape?
Triangle shape.
Yeah.
This.
Okay. Where is heart shape?
Heart shape.
Yeah.
Heart shape.
Yes. Very good. Where is pentagon shape?
Pentagon shape.
Yeah.
Pentagon shape.
Alright. So where is hexagon shape?
Hexagon shape.
Yeah.
Hexagon shape.
That's nice. Where is circle shape?
Circle shape. Circle shape.
Yeah. Where is square shape?
Square shape.
Yeah.
Square shape.
That's good. If you find this video helpful, then please like, and if you tried this activity with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.